right now. Well, I had to start from ninth grade, but right now I'm in.
So what have you done lately?
I'm working on my school, and well, I don't have like I'm not like in a like I guess you say a job, but I'm helping like one of my friends. We do.
Helping means nothing.
I know. I started to.
What have you done in this course, in this school? Because since it's self-study, what have you done?
It's right now. It's all during like mental health stuff. So it's all like the course I'm in right now is it's all about mental health. And the next like I moved by categories. So one's mental health, the next one will be math, the next one will be science, and the other two.
Not understanding
the last two.
Saying.
Oh.
What courses, what tests have you taken to show me that you're actually doing something?
I just have to finish that one and I'll complete with the whole mental health.
Have you even made an appointment to meet your instructor?
It's not like instructor based. It's like I'm saying it's like all online. Like you can go at your own pace. You can like my little brother.
And what I'm concerned is that your pace is at stop now. Oh. That's my concern. I've like you're not doing anything.
Yeah, but I had that last open case. I showed you last time. I've progressed since then.
Show me. That's just an open web page.
I can show you another one. Like probably the next court date. It'll be like a new. It's not going to be mental health no more. I should be in math.
You're telling me that you're going to have school proof, right? Okay, that you've actually completed courses.
It's just like my mom told you, like the last one. Right now, I have to wait for her to pay it. So until then, I have to. That course I'm in right now, I can finish it. But until she pays it, then I can't move on. I have to see because they're asking for like $500 because she didn't pay like 2 months last year. Like she didn't pay last year, and they're making her pay like right
now. So then this is not going to work. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put you through our GED program then, because I don't think that this is going to work. Because I'm not going to sit here and hope and wish and pray that your mom's going to pay that because she got other bills to pay. I have it to where you can do it for free.
How long would that one take?
It's on you. And I want you to go to work. I don't want you to spend your time here wasting it. And you can get proof to him. He can get it to me. But I want proof that you're actually working full time or in school full time. This does not look like full-time study to me. So
yeah, it's because I applied to Chick-fil-A, but they denied me because of my open case. So that's when I applied to the framing, and he said I should. Well, I was supposed to start today, but he told me to come better tomorrow. So I have to go in at 5 a.m. So he told me since I had court to just come in tomorrow.
And they're okay with your hair looking like this at work?
I'm gonna tie it up and wear a hard hat. I call it.
The way you look says a lot about you. When you look like $1 million, people treat you like $1 million. When you look like a thug, people treat you like a thug. When you act like a thug, they will treat you as such. If you go into a place and you speak professionally, how I'm speaking to you now, and when you act like you own a room, 9 times out of 10 you do. But if you go in there with speech like, yeah, dog, this, it's always going to go nowhere. To move up in this life, you have to look good, sound good, and be professional. Otherwise, you're never going to get anywhere. You understand? This, it's not going to look good for a job. I'm telling you. If you're out going to play, great. But not while you're working, man. What are you doing yourself these days? Are you working?
No, I'm trying
Yes,
to
sir, no, sir, to the judge, or no, you honor, or yes, you honor to your judge.
When is the last time you had a job?
I never had one. I'm making an appointment to get my ID. It's kind of hard to get a job with the X marks on my leg.
You haven't even tried.
I've been doing job. I can show you.
What have you done?
I've been doing job applications, but I ain't never had a job, so I don't got a good resume. So
You graduated from high school. You're not finished high school, not looking for a job. What do you do all day? What do you do?
Got nothing to do. I just tell you, I've been looking for jobs. I'm made an appointment for my ID. I'm waiting to get an ID.
What do you have in your life that's pushing you to do anything good? Is mom and dad around?
My daddy passed. My mama. Yeah.
Yes, sir, or no, sir, or
Yes, sir.
Mom or what? Do you live with mom?
I live with my girlfriend.
So the girlfriend who works, who's pulling your,
Yeah.
giving you everything?
Sir.
You're okay just riding and letting the girlfriend work and just,
Nah, I'm looking for a job. I've been doing job applications.
when is the last time you've had a job?
I never had one.
Okay, so you a bum. You've done nothing. How old are you now? Okay, it stops. It stops now. You understand?
Okay.
I'm going to keep you all so close. You're going to think that I'm the parental figure here because that's what's going to happen. Enough is enough. You get on this probation. I'm going to whip you up. I'm telling you now, I'm not going to play. You will be expected to do things. And if you don't, there's a heavy price to pay if you don't. No more clowning. No more sitting on your tuchus doing nothing. We expect results. And if you just sit there and think that you're just going to do nothing and smoke weed, it's not going to happen, man. It's not. You're on a fast track to nowhere in this life, Mr. Johnson. This life sucks without money. It really does. You're setting yourself up for not a damn thing, just to become another statistic. Good morning, Miss Gordon. Ma'am, you were charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On April 8, 2025, the United County, Texas, a law enforcement officer was dispatched to an apartment complex and made contact with a complaining witness who said that she and the defendant were in a previous dating relationship and currently live together. They'd gotten in a verbal argument and the defendant locked the complaining witness out of the apartment and eventually let her back in. And when she re-entered the apartment, the complaining witness saw the defendant had soaked her clothes in bleach. The complaining witness then told the defendant to leave the apartment. The defendant then left the apartment and took a large kitchen knife outside. And the complaining witness then witnessed the defendant scratch her vehicle with the knife. And the defendant scratched the word bitch onto the hood of complaining witness's vehicle. The complaining witness estimated that the total damages to the vehicle were approximately $1,000.
Ms. Gordon, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case. Do you understand? If you don't have anyone to pony up $5,000 to $10,000, you'll be stuck like Chuck in there until this case is over with. Do you understand? How old are you, man?
20.
What do you do for a living?
Oh,
What are you studying to be?
okay.
This is not a good way to start. Because whenever you start going to apply for jobs, they look at records. And when they see someone that has a criminal mischief like this, they're thinking to themselves, you know, we probably shouldn't hire this person because this person, when they get angry, they are volatile. They're like a volcano ready to erupt. Do we want someone like that working with us? Probably not. The more cases you get on your record, the worse life you're going to have. This life is extremely difficult and it doesn't get easier the more convictions you get. It is hard enough as a black, brown person in society today. Now you start racking up convictions on top of it or picking up criminal cases. You think it's easier? No. Self-control. Because if you don't, that's why we have jail. The reason you're out of jail now is because we gave you a free bond. That doesn't continue to happen. If you continue to pick up cases, at some point, we stop giving PR bonds. And if you don't have anyone to pony up, $5,000-$10,000 to get you out. You will be stuck in there. And when that happens to people, they end up just pleading guilty to get out, racking up convictions, and you become unemployable. I don't know what kind of relationship you have with this person, but if it's the type of relationship that you're constantly butting heads and you're constantly fighting, be very careful.
I do understand that the drug test did come back positive. I would ask that the court not revoke his bond, or if it does, to set it at a low amount. And the reason for that is, first of all, this is just a first violation. I'd also ask the court to consider that Mr. Hernandez's mother is waiting outside in the hallway with his baby sister. Whatever the bond is, she's going to pay it. So any amount of bond, it's really just going to punish her. So we would just ask.
I don't even know what he tests positive for.
According to pretrial services, it's THC and alcohol, Judge.
Can you tell me about the felony case that he has, please? 'Cause I don't remember what it is. So the felony was that he tossed the weapon.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the evading is he just takes off because of this.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you go grab Mom, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi. Give her that book. I had that feeling, Donner.
Thank you.
Look, what do you say?
Your son is charged with 2 serious felonies,
Yes.
and I'm trying to do everything in my power out of the trouble. I have ordered him not to use drugs or alcohol, and he's testing positive for drugs or alcohol. How do I get it to stop?
When he had the monitor, everything was okay. I'm gonna be very honest with you. When he had the monitor, everything was fine. He wasn't going anywhere. And I think that's what kept him on track. But right now, without the monitor,
Take it off?
as soon as they took it out, it just felt like, I guess, it wasn't big of a deal to him, probably. I mean, he's still a kid. And I'm doing, like I told him, it's not that, like, I know you think it's easy or whatever, but it's not. It's really serious what you're going through right now. And I tried to get him to understand that.
My only issue is that I'm going to put half on him now. He knows that he violates and mommy's just going to bond him out.
Oh, no.
Then he's going to sit here and I'm going to do whatever I want because mommy's going to bond me out.
I talked to him. I go, this is the first and last time I'm helping you. And I support him with everything. And he knows it, whether he's right or wrong. He's my kid. I'm going to support him. But if he's wrong, of course, I'm going to let him know and make him see and understand why he's wrong. I'm not the type of person that's going to be like, oh, no, it's okay. Don't worry about it. No, because it's not okay. What he's doing is not okay.
Help me help you. I'm trying to do everything in my power to keep you from getting a 25-year sentence because you're hanging out with the wrong people.
Mm-hmm. Agreed.
When someone shoots a gun, the bullet goes up, it goes down, it ricochets. Let me give you a piece of perspective. If I say, hey, Mr. Hernandez, help me out. I need some money because my mom needs to go on operation. I'm gonna go hit up this bank. And I say, hey, come on. All you got to do is drive. I'm gonna go get it, and then we're gonna go out. You didn't know this, but I go in there and I kill 4 cops, right? And then I run out to the car. I got a big bag of money. We take off. You drive me out. Who gets charged with capital murder?
Both.
It's called the law of parties. You didn't know that I was going to do that. Had you known, you wouldn't have gone. But if you're hanging out with a bunch of people and they're shooting guns and it ricochets and it kills someone, who gets charged?
Everybody. He knows that.
You are making decisions. You are 18 years old and you are not allowed to use. I have made that a condition of your bond. And I'm going to tell you now, the next time you violate any of my condition, I'm going to make your bond so high you're going to have hair falling out. Do you understand? I don't care if Jesus is here with you. the next time you I will regret it. You understand?
So,
I'm now going to put a monitor on your ankle so I know that you're consuming alcohol. And I'm also giving you a curfew. If I find that you're out in the middle of the night, I'm going to rip you a new one. Do you understand? This system will not fail you. And I'm going to stay on top of it until you do start doing right. Is he in school? What is he doing?
He's in school and he works. When there's no classes during the week, he works. But on Saturdays, he does work. Every Saturday, he works.
Okay.
They leave the house between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m.
What?
Yeah, because he has to live with his dad. His dad goes there.
Oh, okay, so he's going with that?
Yeah, he goes with dad.
Wonderful.
And he comes back with dad, or I pick him up if he.
Okay.
Sorry.
I want to give him a curfew.
Okay.
I will go with whatever you think is appropriate. Okay.
Whatever you want, I'm okay with.
I just don't want him out in the middle of the
I
night.
mean, neither.
As long as you're working, as long as you're. But if you're clowning with friends, it's not going to happen. So any of the co-defendants that in this case, no hanging around with, you will get tested 50 days from today. If I find that you're still using,
That's beautiful.
you know what's going to happen. You know what the expectation is. You now know you have no one to bond you out. So that the next time you make a decision out there that's not a good decision, you will be stuck like Chuck. Do you understand? Okay. I don't like to put people in jail for the sake of putting people in jail. I want to ensure that we're all on the same page. That's why I wanted you here. So I know that you and I are on the same page. As long as you're happy, I'm happy.
Yes.
Whatever you need, all you need to do is let me know, here, you might get. So if you ever need anything, just let us know. And we're there for, if he starts acting a fool or because anything, if he's not telling you, if you tell him to jump and he doesn't say hi, just call me and let me know.
I've never had an issue with that. My issue is always like right now, just him leaving the house and not saying anything. That's my only issue. But other than
You
that,
don't have permission to do that anymore.
he's not a disrespectful kid. He makes bad choices. Like I tell him, you guys are not dumb. Yeah, choose the wrong crowd, make the wrong decisions. But other than that, I mean, I've never had an issue with him, to be honest.
You speak Spanish. You understand Spanish? Dime con quién andas, yo te digo quién eres.
Very true.
That's what life is. Okay, we're good.
We're good.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
Thank you.